What's happening, chuletas? Today we're going to be making Valentine's Day inspired cake because you already know Valentine's Day is right around the corner, so I had to come out with some Valentine stuff. Pero if this is your first time here, welcome. If you enjoy watching cake tutorials and you like watching cake related stuff, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more videos like this. So I went ahead and already filled and stacked and crumb coated this cake. Now I'm just going to give it a final coat with my offset spatula. By the way, if you would like to try this buttercream recipe right here is American buttercream. It is so good. If you want the recipe, I will be leaving the link to it in my description box. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get my bench scraper and scrape the sides of my cake like that, and then clean off the top and then get started with the colors. So the first color I got here is pink. I used this deep pink from Americolor, and for the burgundy I used burgundy from Wilton, and I added a little bit of the purple that you see right there into that one, and I mixed it together. And for the purple I used violet from Wilton, and I also used some royal blue from Wilton, but I only used a little bit, so don't overdo it, right? So what you want to do is get yourself a little cup of hot water and get yourself one of these little spatula painting things. You can get them from the Dollar Tree, that's where I got mine. So yeah, just dip it into the buttercream and just place it against the cake like this. You want to do it nice and slow, and you can go over it a couple of times. It's very simple, very easy, and it's also very forgiving, so don't even worry about if you mess up. Just go over it a couple more times. Oh snap, I almost forgot to tell you, make sure that when you're done putting your final coat, you do pop your cake into the freezer for about 20 minutes. It just makes this whole thing a lot easier. And once that was set, I cleaned off my spatula really good so that I could start on the next color. So I used the violet bluish color, and I just added little random spots to it all over, at the top, at the sides, just have fun with it. There's no special way of doing it. And then once I was done with the purple, I started on the pink and just placed it in random areas of it. Nothing special, just do your thing, girl, And now for a little razzle dazzle moment, I'm going to be using these pink sprinkles from Wilton. And I just, put it on my finger and started pressing that on all over. And also, my buttercream was kind of hard at this point because my cake was so cold. So I recommend your cake being cold for this. Same thing for these sprinkles. These are all Wilton sprinkles, by the way, that I used on this cake. And they're all from the Valentine's Day collection from last year. But it's okay because Wilton brought these sprinkles back. I've seen them in Walmart and I've seen them in Michael's as well. And then I added little red fondant hearts all around. And for the sugar cookie pops, I know you did not see me make it here in the video, but the good thing is that your girl will be having a full tutorial on her Instagram. So be sure to follow me on Instagram if you want to see how I decorated the sugar cookies. And yes, my sugar cookies were a little too brown on the other side, but we gonna act like we didn't see nothing, alright? And for the final two decorations, I am doing a French piping tip of the purple buttercream mixed with some of the pink, but you don't have to. And then I thought it would be a cool idea just to use all the same sprinkles that I used at the bottom of the cake. I just mixed it all together and made my own sprinkle mix, and I added like a little touch of gold hearts. Pero anyways, qué belleza de bizcocho, mira qué linda. So go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video. Also, if you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. It will make me so happy, okay? You will be welcome to the Chuleta family. Also, if you're new, you will see a Valentine's Day playlist in one corner, and in the other corner you will see my most recent video that I have uploaded. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.